Lockheed Martin is incorporating IBM's Granite large language models into its AI factory tools to speed up AI development and implementation for defense and aerospace applications. MSI is thrilled to introduce the first curved dual-mode gaming display, the MAG321 CUPDF. For gamers who require excellent performance across a variety of gaming genres, this 32-inch display elegantly combines both into a single, multipurpose device. It takes constant learning and analysis to stay ahead in a market that is competitive and changing. Digital people, sometimes known as AI avatars, are improving operations and tackling important issues in a variety of sectors. The NVIDIA AI Workbench, a robust and intuitive development environment manager that simplifies machine learning, data science, and AI projects, was at the center of the HackAI challenge. Today, Google DeepMind is launching Facts Grounding, a thorough benchmark for assessing LLM's capacity to produce responses that are both factually correct concerning the inputs provided and sufficiently detailed to satisfy user inquiries. Intel Xeon processors offer an effective generative AI experience with Q8 Chat LLM. SmoothQuant offers scalable methods for optimizing big language models in AI applications by introducing effective quantization to LLMs. Superior performance is provided by 5th-gen Intel Xeon scalable CPUs, as demonstrated here. This workload makes use of the processor's greater memory bandwidth, more cores, and superior design. SageMaker Hyperpod training plans on Amazon. Optimize resources and speed up machine learning training. You may reserve and optimize the utilization of GPU resources for large-scale AI model training workloads with Amazon SageMaker training plans. Real-time, proprietary, and specialized data boosts large language models LLMs in retrieval augmented generation RAG. This reduces hallucinations and builds trust in AI applications by making LLMs more accurate, relevant, and contextually aware. For more such content, subscribe to our channel.